Attention citizens of the world. The King and the Parliament of the newly reformed European Empire will speak shortly. Hello and good morning, afternoon and evening to everyone across the globe. In the news of the recent spike of the crisis between the People's Republic of China, the Commonwealth of Australia, the United States of America and the Russian Federation, the European Union Parliament held an anonymous vote to sort out the global crisis the world is currently facing. The final decision was to collapse the now former European Union to reborn as one, a combined empire and superpower. All previous countries of the French, British, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, Belgian and Danish colonies are having their governments and monarchies liquefied, effective immediately, to merge into the reformed European Empire. These countries will be shown in red on the map shown. The former country of Belgium is now the capital of the European Empire, with the Belgian monarchy and parliament taking lead on this empire. All borders are now closed, and all residents residing in the borders of the European Empire are no longer citizens of their country. All residents are now citizens of the European Empire, regardless of previous background or citizenship status. All military operations of the former countries are no longer in effect. All militaries are being called home to discuss further plans with Russia and China, with the United States and Australia merging into the European Empire, as previous British territory. The empire will lose its former self to be reborn anew, a unified Europe, a unified Earth. Europe will stand superior, she will not fall. All hail to the newly reformed European Empire.